heart on my sleeve. Yeah, all that I need. But I don't wanna play your games no more. I changed for sure, and I'm balling on you. Watch me pull off in that phone. Girl, don't come too much.
Hey guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I am using Tan from the Box of Crayons palette as my transition shade. Now I'm going in with Neo, and this is from the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. So yes, it is a blush, but we're using it as shadow today, girl. I'm just gonna keep blending. Alright, so now I'm using the shade Secret, and this is from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. And I'm using that slightly above my crease so that you'll see it when I start to cut my crease, because I cut my crease above my actual crease. So yeah. And we're just gonna keep building those colors up. As you can see, I'm going back in with Neo. Now I'm using Gold from the Box of Crayons palette on my brow bone. Just gonna blend that out a little bit. I am using Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand to cut my crease. I look up a little bit just to give me a guide to make sure that when I look up, it will not transfer. Now I'm going to go back into Secret and blend out that concealer at the end. Alright, so now I'm using the shade Orange from the Box of Crayons palette. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Alright, and now I'm using MAC pigment, and this is Copper Sparkle. And I'm gonna place that all over where I placed the orange shade. And this is sped up, so it definitely took some time to make sure that I didn't get any glitter on the top. Now I'm going to be blending that out with Secret once again. Now I'm using a makeup wipe to clean the excess Yeah, I got some liner on my lid by accident, but it wiped off easily, so no worries. But yeah, I'm using a makeup wipe to get rid of that excess shadow so I can start applying my foundation. I use two foundations. I use Black Opal Beautiful Bronze, and then I use Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Chestnut. Chestnut has more of a yellow undertone, and Beautiful Bronze has more of a red undertone to me. So the mix of the two gives me a really good shade, or a really good match, I should say. Now I am using my Tarte Concealer Shape Tape in Tan Deep or Deep Tan. It's one of those. I realized my lips were really ashy or chapped, so I had to do something about that. I'm also gonna dab some of another Shape Tape that I have in Tan Sand. I'm gonna dab a little bit under that because this one is really close to my skin tone, and you know, we like a highlight, honey. Highlights, okay? I'm using a beauty blender to go ahead and blend that out. And after I blend it out, I immediately set with my, what is that? Banana powder. It's not banana powder, that's Buttercup, Sasha Buttercup powder, because I crease, so I have to immediately set it, you know, each side one at a time. I'm just gonna apply it to my chin and the bridge of my nose. Didn't know if I wanted to put it on my forehead or not, and I didn't. Now I'm using Gold from Box of Crayons palette and my inner tear duct. And now I'm gonna do my lips. This is, I want to say, Brown from NYX lip liner. I think it is. I wish I stopped singing so I could put the damn liner on. Alright, now I'm going to be using Spite from MAC. This is a lip gloss. I love it so much. So pretty. And this is the finished look, you guys. Oh, 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 oh.
Ooh, y'all see this consistency though? I'm not playing with the girls, okay? Let's get it.